Welcome back to Speed Car Mania. The 2025 Renault Captur represents the evolving role of urban crossovers as both practical vehicles and lifestyle statements. This model seamlessly integrates aesthetics, advanced technology, and comfort while ensuring adaptability across various driving conditions. The Captur's contemporary and bold design establishes a strong presence on urban roads. The front fascia is characterized by redesigned LED headlights and Renault's signature lighting, contributing to a futuristic and dynamic appearance. Chrome accents, an updated radiator grille, and sport-inspired air intakes further enhance the vehicle's visual appeal. The side profile features sharp lines and a rising beltline, emphasizing a sense of movement. The introduction of 18-inch alloy wheels and an expanded range of color combinations adds to the model's distinctiveness. At the rear, LED taillights and a redesigned bumper complete its modern aesthetic. The interior of the Captur offers a premium environment, featuring high-quality materials, leather seating, and ambient lighting. A 12-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10-inch multimedia system with Google-integrated infotainment provide real-time navigation, voice assistance, and traffic updates. Additionally, the rear seating area offers ample space and a modular seating configuration for flexible cargo capacity. The Captur is available with multiple powertrain options, including hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants. 1.2L turbo hybrid, 140 horsepower, optimized for urban fuel efficiency. 1.6L plug-in hybrid, 160 horsepower, a combination of electric and gasoline propulsion. 1.3L turbo petrol, 155 horsepower, designed for enhanced performance and agility. The hybrid models prioritize fuel efficiency and sustainability, complemented by an e-tech automatic transmission and adaptable driving modes. Estimated pricing: €23,000 to €25,000. Hybrid models may exceed €30,000.